Hello guys, this video is for those that have a small capital and they are wondering if they can grow their small capital to a huge amount. Yes, you can actually grow your small capital, even $50, even $100 to a huge amount. Okay, the first thing you need to do is first you need to spot a rejection. Spot a rejection, a proper rejection in the support level or in a resistance level. So I used to teach my students that lot size does not really matter, but even if lot size don't matter, that does not mean you should go extremely aggressive. The highest lot size for this pair is 20.0. So 5.0 can fly, 2.0 can fly if you can get a sniper entry. So sniper entry is all about you entering a trade at the right timing. Yes, entering a trade at the right timing. So I spotted this trade. Before I spotted this trade, the market was currently bullish. The market was trending upwardly. So what I did was I targeted a resistance, the nearest resistance at the daily time frame, and then I slowly came down to the 1 minute time frame. At the 1 minute time frame, I targeted that same level I saw at the daily time frame, and then I initiated my buy. Entry is everything. Sniper entry is everything. Lot size does not really matter. Using proper risk management is not, it's a good thing though. I'm not saying it's not a good thing, but bro, if you really want to drive this Lamborghini, it is not 0.001 that can buy you those Lamborghini. The only thing is that you need to be smart, extremely smart in this market. You need to be extremely smart. So using 0.001 is not that you are conserved. No. A lot of person, when they hear risk management, proper risk management, they thought it's only by entering 0.001. No, they don't know that even putting your stop loss in a trade is risk management as well too. So you have to be smart in this market. As you can see now, that red line is where my stop loss is. You can see how tight my stop loss is, right? So even if that trade goes against me, even if this trade retraces and goes against me, highest I will lose is just $10. That is my calculation. Based on my calculation, highest I will lose is just $10. So you have to be smart in this game. When they talk about building strategy, what do you think they are talking about? They're not talking about you looking for a way not to lose money at all in the market. No. Building a strategy is like building something that will succeed, building a system. You get, yes, it will have losses, but if you check the losses to compare to the win rate, the winning rate will be very high. Like this trade now, in most cases, sometimes the markets, play around in the manipulation market and I lose $10. I just have to wait. Yes, I just have to wait. But in the case where this trade goes in my favor, if this is 5.0, that loss size is huge. If this trade goes, let's say I hold this trade for the next 3 to 5 minutes, I'm already in $1,000 with what I'm seeing already. You get, and this is something I keep doing always on my Telegram channel. So guys, it is not all about loss size. It's not all about using the lowest loss size. It's about being smart in this game. Alright guys, if you find value in this video, ensure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that each time I drop a new video like this, you'll be notified. Bye, peace out.